the gentleman from Palawan. I think Senator Estrada would like to make an interjection.
With the permission of Senator Erwin, if I may, just to interject only one question. While I was upstairs monitoring the proceedings, you mentioned about the farm-to-market roads, am I correct? Yes. Just one question, Senator Pangilinan. Sa lahat po ng mga farm-to-market roads, road projects, have the officials of the Department of Agriculture inspected the farm-to-market road projects?
Yes, an audit of the farm-to-market roads, Mr. President, distinguished Senator, has started. And of the 4,700 kilometers, sites, they've been able to inspect about
So how
1,000.
many farm-to-market road projects are there?
4,700.
4,700. Out of those 4,700 farm-to-market road projects, are there any ghost projects?
Well, they have inspected 1,000, and they have identified 5.
Five.
Yes, 5. So far.
And more to come?
We hope not. We hope not. But if with that percentage, 5 of 1,000, so if there are 4,000, that would be 5 times 4, 20, maybe around 30 might be, I mean, based on that average.
May I know where are these the ghost farm-to-market roads located?
Davao Occidental, according to the department secretary.
Are these are the Senate or the legislators the proponent of these farm-to-market road projects?
We will have to check. Right now, the secretary is not aware if there were proponents to the Davao Occidental ghost projects for farm-to-market roads.
Okay, thank you. Safe ka na, Senator Marcoleta.
Thank you, Senator Estrada.